Hey, what is up, collectors? Diego here for take another Sports Cars Detour. This detour here is again going to be taking a look into my toolbox here. Another toolbox full of cards. Like I said, I have 6 of them. So this is toolbox number 3. We're halfway through all of them. I'm going to take out a bunch of here and we'll take a look at some of these cards here. I have a Javi Baez for the Chicago Cubs from Topps Heritage. Wish I could get this to focus better. There we go. Autofocus. There we go. It's supposed to be autofocus, but it went away. And here we go. This one's from Topps Heritage. Got a Greg Maddux, authentic game worn jerseys from Leaf Rookies and Stars. Number to 250. This is card number, this is from Donruss 2002. Here's a Chipper Jones from Topps 206. Mini card with a game-worn patch. And it has a sticker of authenticity. So that's pretty cool. This is from 2002 as well. I got a Tristan McKenzie from the minor league Topps Heritage 2018. That's a game used relic. My birthday buddy right here, Madison Bumgarner, in a classic singles. This is number 3 of 49. That's what it looks like on the back from Panini. Here's a Drew Smiley members only from Donruss Elite Extra or Elite Edition. Or Panini, I should say. Panini Elite Baseball 2015. Here's a Buster Posey, the 43 of 99. Has the MLB stamp of approval. There you go, and that's from 2018 Topps Tribute. Here's one that's 16 out of 10 for the San Diego Padres, Eric Hosmer. Cool camouflage relic there. I really like that one. I don't really like the pieces, but cloth pieces, but something like that, it has that color in it. And like San Diego wears that, I think it's pretty cool. Here I have some guys that actually, there's still one guy left on the Rockies, but 34 of 36. We have some Colorado Rockies. We have Trevor Story, Nolan Arenado, and Carlos Gonzalez. These 3 guys probably won't be on the team next year, but this is from 2017 Topps Triple Thread. And a cool commemorative patch. This is a fabric version of the card, or of the picture of the card. An Ernie Banks from 1954 Topps commemorative. But the actual year is 2014 Topps Series 1 baseball. Let's see what else I got in here. Got a Paul Goldschmidt Topps Heritage 2016. Got another Paul Goldschmidt. I was trying to do Paul Goldschmidt, Paul Goldschmidt collection, and it's still in its infancy. Here I got a Fernando Tatis International ink. I wish there was some ink on it. That would have been awesome. But there's not. So here's a Francisco Lindor franchise features, and then on the back it has Fernando Tatis Jr. Here's a Ken Griffey Jr. card from Upper Deck. This is number 1662 of 1799. This is from 2006 Upper Deck. Upper Deck Spectra, I believe. Here's an Alec Bohm, Bowman Best, franchise 2020. It's a pretty cool card. Here's a Will Myers, a guy that IPC. Number to 335, 46 to 335, Tier 1 game used relic. Or sorry, used relic. What did it say? Game? Yeah, game used memorabilia. I'm sorry. And then we got another Paul Goldschmidt. Sorry about that sticker. Somebody sent some tape with that. Paul Goldschmidt, 500 home run future club. Those from 2016. Let's see what else I got in here. Got a Juan Gonzalez patch, number to 499 from Chronicles, Panini Chronicles. I also have a kind of like a side PC of Juan Gonzalez that hasn't really taken much precedence, but little side projects. Here's a Fernando. MLB debut, Philadelphia Phillies, Ryan Howard, commemorative coin or medallion. Thought that was pretty cool. 2016 Top Series 1. Here's another Ryan Howard with some relics. This is number 50 of 75 from 2009 Topps Tribute. Thought that was a pretty sweet looking card. Nice and shiny. Got another Juan Gonzalez here. Relic card from Donruss 2018. Arancibia? I don't remember how to say this guy. JP Arancibia. Big game used from Museum Collection. That's 2013. Here we have Francisco Mejia. 59 to 99. Little relic there from 2018 Heritage. And the final card here for this video is going to be this number to 50 Jonathan Lucroy. I like that because it kind of has like some of the different colors of the patch and you can see the stitching. Game used memorabilia, meaningful materials. That is from 2016 Topps Museum Club. So that is video number 1 of 3 that will happen for this toolbox. And I'll probably continue on making these videos and just wait for the next day to probably catch up on the next portion of this. All right, guys. Until next time, be safe and enjoy collecting.